Maybe they need to remove this street light. It's blocking the view of this statue. This beautiful statue of Alex Ekwueme. This one needs to be removed. And also the flooring here, they need to make it a little nicer. The floor here, and also take care of the back. Well, that's very good idea though.